Hello again, Pietro here, and yes, we got a box. First, a little Kershaw accent. Small incision. Okay, maybe a bigger incision after we tear it open and. Ooh! Yay! It's a box of Bandletic. You know, I actually thought it was a Google Fitbit Air. Ooh! Look at that. The Apple Watch case. Okay, we got to see if we can do the sound. Do you hear that? That's a really good sound. That means they actually took a few minutes on creating the box. Okay, smell test. Ooh, it smells fresh and clean. Oh, come on. That's cool. So a big problem with a lot of Apple Watches is that they're fragile. They're very sensitive. The screen easily gets scratched. Ooh, we have a dust thing to clean the watch face, and then there's a glass protector or really heavy duty plastic. Nice packaging. I like that it's minimalistic. Okay, I love the orange color. And then this should be for your go-to outdoor watch band. And I can't remember if this is the 45 millimeter. Scan barcode. Bandletic. It doesn't say which size, but I'm pretty sure this is the Ultra. So it's not gonna, yeah, that's not gonna fit this one, but I have a friend. I know someone who knows someone and they have the right one. But let's just see. Just for kicks. Yeah, a little loosey-goosey there. but you get the gist. The gist, the gist, the gist. Oh, and with black and white Mickey, it looks stunning. I'm just going to try it on anyway. So nice Velcro. So technically, it still could work. It's just going to be a little loose. And the buttons aren't going to quite work because it flops around. But there you go. That's the look. So I'll get the right size watch. But initially, my first impressions, I like it. I like the ruggedness. It's really not as big as you think it would be. A lot of these case protectors can be pretty large marge, but this one is not. That's a throwback for Cabbage Patch Kids if you did not grow up in the 1980s and 90s. Yeah, Large Marge was one of the Cabbage Patch Kids. Yeah, this is definitely going to protect the Apple Watch. I like the Velcro. Velcro and nylon are a match made in heaven, in my opinion, because they're just really comfortable to wear. Oh, yeah. So if you do a lot of outdoor sports or you're just really tough on your watches, the Bandletic Apple watch case is going to be for you. So I'm going to get a larger watch here in just a few hours, and then we'll go from there. Okay, see you soon.